is up, developers, and here's another one from Fortune Dev Academy. So this is what we're going to be building out, this amazing auto text auto typing thing with JavaScript. This is what we'll be building out. It's simple, it's slick, and we're going to build this out in like less than 5 minutes or something. Okay, so if you're new here, show some love, hit that subscribe button, and if you are a subscriber, smash that like button and get this video to other wankers out there looking for such. So let's get straight to it. Here I have a folder which I've opened up with Visual Studio Code. It has an index.html which I've just linked to the style sheet, and the app.js. App.js has nothing, and the styling is just basically display flags, the height, and then I've just justified everything to the center so that whatever we code out goes to the center. Self-explanatory. Okay, so we're not going to be working with style.css for now. We're going to need the app.js. That's it. So what do we want to do? We want to create a way for the text to be rendered by JavaScript at a particular interval that we want it to be rendered. So first let's create that. Let's call it text. Text, and I'm just going to pass in the string, which is subscribe to Fortune Dev Academy. Academy, which you should, what you have, whatever. Okay, once you're done with that, let's create something called index, and let's set it to 0. This is going to be like our console experiment. Okay, so we're going to create a function, and I'm going to call this function type. Okay, then in this function you want to write the actual text or document. Then we go into the body dot inner HTML, and then you just say the text, and then we want to slice this, and then check from 0 to the index. Okay, fine. Then we want to increment the index. Then let's do an if statement. Let's say if the index is less than the length of the text, -1, you would like to set the index to 0. Okay, that should work. Wait, we haven't called this, and we haven't set an interval, so let's just do set interval to, and as an argument we pass in the function and then how long. So let's do 100. You know, this is microseconds, milliseconds, whatever. Okay, so that's it. Go to index.html and open this up with live server. And voila, there you have it. Okay, I shouldn't have to restart this. What's going on? About your app.js, because something is definitely, what's up? Okay, bloody idiot. This should be perfect now. Still missing something. What is it? Did I miss a semicolon? No. If it's greater than text length, bloody errors. Okay. It's a wonder how that even worked. Okay, perfect. You can style this up to whichever way you like, but basically this is it. This is how you do it. Stick to the channel. Long live the academy, and I'll see you guys in the next